Well, welcome back to Soda City Live. Who said models don't cook? Hello, America's Top Model alum is daring to combine her passion for fashion with food. She's already cooking right now, but joining me today is Cycle 13 contestant Bianca Richardson, who's been on the show before for different reasons because you just never stop. Never stop. You can't. But she is back today to share a few recipes from her cookbook. Yes, she is an author now of her very own cookbook. Thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Now listen, you got it on display here. It's called Stylish Taste Bud.
The Stylish Taste Bud.
How did we come up with this idea and where did the passion for cooking come from?
So listen, my favorite place as a child was my grandmother's kitchen. That's where I got the best advice, girl talk,
Whole
thing. Everything that you could think of. That's where it came from. So there are three things I'm really passionate about. It's food, fashion, and philanthropy. So that's why I have my 8 friends that say that. And so I was like, what better way to marry those things? The Stylish Taste Bud. I love fashion and I love food. And like fashion, I think that, you know, food is one of the few things that touches all the senses.
Yeah.
So, you know,
well, listen, you're really upholding all of the things that mean the most to you because you were in here before talking about philanthropy. You're here now for food, and you're always putting forward the fashion, and your history has proven that as well.
Thank you,
So
darling.
let's talk a little bit about what we're making today. We have 2 different recipes.
Correct.
What are we working on now?
So one of my favorite snacks is hummus. Yeah. It's extremely nutritional. It's vegan as well. So what I'm working on now is we have red pepper. I'm making red pepper hummus. So we have chickpeas and we have a fresh sweet red bell pepper.
Okay, yum.
So I'm just frying up the tortillas right now. So this is regular tortillas, right?
And then you just regular oil?
No, definitely not. Olive oil.
Olive oil,
yeah, definitely. You gotta have olive oil or whatever oil of your choice or whatever you have in your pantry is perfect, right?
Super easy. Like I'm just watching you do this. You gotta be obviously right here with it, but they get done super quickly.
Done super, super quickly. So as I'm frying these, you see, it's super easy.
Yeah.
They get done quickly, super crispy. You can toss those in some garlic salt or whatever if you want. Any salt or anything, a little crispy. Let's cut this off so we don't get burned. All right, so those are done. So now we're gonna work on the hummus. So we have some chickpeas. They're already in there. And I just use regular canned chickpeas.
Yeah, just straight up.
Regular canned chickpeas. And we sliced a red bell pepper. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil in there, just to make it a little easy. And so the Ninja is literally one of my favorite kitchen tools. Add a little minced garlic. Now, like I said, I'm not really big on salt, but you can add a little bit of the sea salt, just a smidge of the sea salt. So the Ninja literally is one of my favorite kitchen gadgets.
So it's just garlic, chickpeas, red peppers, salt. Did I miss anything?
Olive oil.
And olive oil.
And that is literally it. So I'm gonna give that a good little shake in there.
Super simple.
Super simple, probably one of the most simple things I've ever done.
Hello.
So excess mixing in there.
You can see the recipe. Okay, but
to wake up the dead, but it's there. Hey.
and again. Okay,
so we
have to move over to this other recipe. Every time I went to speak, that Ninja was cutting me off. He said, "You are not speaking today." That was funny.
No
but anyways,
so you have that. So it's super good. So I like to use the tortilla chips and the cucumbers as well.
Okay, my goodness,
or you can use
great.
any type of chip. So we've already sliced. I do fresh watermelon, but I also like seedless watermelon.
So what are we making here, though? First,
fresh Feta watermelon mint salad.
Yum. Okay. That's what we need on a hot South Carolina day.
All right. So
I'm going to move this over here just so we can see it a little bit better.
Thank you. All right. I'm going to put that over here. So we have our fresh watermelon. It's already chopped up.
Yep.
I love lemon zest.
Yeah.
You got to add the lemon zest. You want to help me a little bit?
Yeah, of course.
So let's grab that Feta right there.
Oh, right here.
Yep. Let's grab Feta. Now, goat cheese is delicious in this too as
Dump
well.
it in?
Yep. Let's dump it in. All right. Yum, yum,
That's
yum.
Easy.
Want to mix
and
it
then
up
this is
super
just
easy.
mint?
Yep. So give me some of the mint leaves.
Yeah.
Pass me that knife over there. Please.
Okay.
Yep. So this is fresh mint leaves. I'm not really big on using kind of the dried mint leaves.
It doesn't taste
It doesn't taste the same. It's not the same. So you want to take those fresh mint leaves, put them in there.
Ooh, and then do you top it with honey?
Absolutely. And I like local honey that's made in South Carolina. Wink, wink, by the way. I love supporting our local farmers. You got to support our local agriculture.
Wow, this is beautiful, though.
It's
nice
beautiful.
and bright.
All right. Want to sprinkle?
Yeah.
Just go ahead.
Just
drizzle
a little bit?
Let's drizzle all that in there.
Wow.
Yum, yum. All right. Now give me just a pinch of salt as well.
Oh, okay.
Just a pinch.
Maybe a little bit more.
Yep.
There we go.
and just mix that up. And if you want a little bit more kind of a little bit more juice, you can add a little bit of lemon. That's if you like it a little citrusy,
right?
Which I do as well.
So are both of these recipes included in your cookbook?
Absolutely.
Okay.
So you want to see how simple that is?
Yeah, that is
and
so
it's beautiful,
easy.
By the way.
Both of these very easy and also healthy, like you said, dishes that you can make at home.
Absolutely.
Bianca, thank you so much. Your stylish taste bud. Where can folks find that?
It's on my website. It's the Bianca /shop.
Okay.
And I have my aprons there as well as my book. And you can also follow us on social media. It's at thestylishTasteBud.com.
And you can see Bianca's social media is pulled up right there. So give her a follow for more recipe content, philanthropy, fashion, and food. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure we'll see you back here soon.
Absolutely. Yum,
there
yum,
we go.
yum.
Thanks so much for being with us here on So to See Live. We have more coming up, so stay with us. We're going to take a short break.
Thank you.
Thank you. I know.